Want to control Windows faster using commands? CMD, or Command Prompt, gives you quick access to tools for managing files, checking your network, and troubleshooting common problems. In this guide, I'll cover the most useful CMD commands for beginners, so let's jump in. First, open Command Prompt by searching for CMD from the Start menu. You'll see a prompt where you can type commands. Every command usually follows a simple pattern. Enter the command, add an option if needed, and press Enter. If you're unsure what a command does, don't worry, you can use built-in help. Let's start with navigation. Type dir to display the files and folders in your current location. Use cd followed by a folder name to move into that folder. To move back one level, type cd followed by 2 dots, and cls clears everything from the screen. Yeah, these are some of the commands you'll use most often. CMD can also manage files and folders. Use mkdir to create a new folder, copy to duplicate a file, and move or rename an item. You can use del to delete a file. Be careful with deletion commands because they can remove files without the normal graphical confirmation. CMD is especially useful for network checks. Type ipconfig to view your network configuration. Use ping followed by a website or IP address to test connectivity. And if you're dealing with DNS problems, ipconfig/flushdns can clear the local DNS cache. These commands are great first steps when a connection isn't behaving normally. To see basic system information, try systeminfo. You can also use task list to display currently running processes. If you need to stop a specific process, Taskl can do that, but make sure you know which process you're targeting before using it. Here's one command worth remembering: help. Type it by itself to see available commands, or use help followed by a command name for more details. Many commands also support the /? option for built-in instructions. So if you're unsure, check the help first rather than guessing, and that's a solid starting point for CMD commands. Begin with navigation and file management, then practice networking and system commands as you get more comfortable. Just remember, some commands can change or delete system data, so always understand a command before running it. Yeah, that's it.